Yeah, that's Isa. Wait,
I kiss you right on the lips, baby. Yeah. Write a little love notes on a post-it and I post it on your front door. Show up in a suit and tie with the brooch and with the roses on your front door. Oh, what do you Haharanahin kita, saan man tayo mapunta, yung tipong kahit wala lang, o kaya biglang may breakfast table, just to keep you interested, lahat ay dahil wala lang, I just wanna do simple random things to say, I love you. Oh, I love you. Pilit kang patatawanin kahit na ang sungit mo. Kahit di ka nang tawagin, ika'y inulit mo. Private tip, so private that I live, baby, that's right. And make it shameless, that I like it, baby, I'll give you the last bite. Do, 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 do.
Oh, sisisihin nyo na naman kami na sayang ng oras eh. So, minsan lang kami nandito sa Canada. Hindi na kayo po ng tickets for me and James sa Winnipeg, Toronto, Calgary, and Edmonton. Thank you!
love you!
Hey everyone, I'm finally here and I can't wait to see you all this Friday, July 11th at Petrus Hall. Doors open at 4:30 p.m. for those with SVIP Soundcheck Experience passes and at 5:30 p.m. for VIP and general admission. If you haven't grabbed your tickets yet, contact Liza Garcia at 431-388-1682. Thank you to everyone who's been showing love and support. I appreciate you all. See you at the show!
Thank you, Maki.
Thank you so much.
Sure, Papa.
Thank you, Rian. Rian.
Welcome.
Thank you, Rian.
Guys, it's my first time seeing him, so... He just came out of the magazine.
Show that's on Friday. That's because now. I'll see you on Friday. Thank you, thank you.
I just wanna do simple random things to say, I love you.
Hey guys, it's Lisa. Welcome to the vlog.
Wala naman akong nais banggitin, di pag-uusapan lahat na nangyayari sa atin. Pagkatapos ako lamunin at suyuin ang panahon, pati sa panaginip di man lang uminahon. Sadyang gusto ko lang naman tanungin ang iyong mata.
Smile. Oh, seafood na. Oh, seafood na. Go.
Winnipeg.
Hey, here. Hey, ready? And 1, 2. Okay.
Hindi na, bukas na ako. Ay, gusto mo ba ako?
Ang dami pa nating nais puntahan. Plano natin nasa puso.
One more time with energy. Let's give it up for Randy.
Po, maraming salamat po sa paghintay, sa pag-welcome dito sa uniform. Kain na po tayong lahat. Maraming salamat po. Wait po natin si James. Salamat po. Thank you.
Di ko binaon, bukos tinanim sa aking puso.
Yes, go. Bye. Thank you. How is it? Is it good? Thank you.
With you, indigo, indigo. Anywhere you go, I go. With you, indigo, indigo. Anywhere. I'm scared of midnight talking sober dates. You're here with me now when it's getting late again. And for some reason I don't mind. I don't wanna be delusional. I don't like my
Babalik-balik sa mga mo. Paikot-ikot ang kakabago. Pinakinggan na ang musik sa pinako. Ilang beses mo na tinakasan ang mga tanong na pili mo iniiwasan. Bakit parang wala nang sa'yo? Bawat tulog, sigaw ng iba, e di sana tayo pa.
Real Sweets.
Man, am I crazy? Could she be the one? Yeah. Don't wanna race it, let's get on the fun. Oh, yeah. Sa pag-uwi, alam kong bigat ka. Ano ba nagawa ko? Saan ba nangyaring buhay ko? I feel blessed, I've been chosen to know your love and I'm my best. Don't you notice when you're around someone lonely? Wow, I love the energy here tonight.
What's up, Philippine? Balita ko marami daw dito na bumulan. You guys look hella fun. Okay, so itong kantang to ay very special because this is my first ever released song. It's called Halaga. Alam niyo sige. Pero if you guys know the song, please sing with me. If you don't know the song, please just dance. Like, ganun ba? Diba? Madali lang, di ba papawis? Aircon, no? Diba? Lamig sa Canada in fairness, pero please be safe sa mga ano po naapektuhan ng wildfire. Ingat po kayo, and kung makakatulong po tayo, please help each other. Okay, let's go. Yung mga kantang to, so bear with me. If you're experiencing the same thing, please be in the moment. This is your time to shine, charot. This is your time to feel those feelings and end it. Tama na. Tama na. Kasi ano eh, minsan mapatulong ka ng mga bakit. Bakit? Bakit? Kasi tulad ko na parang sa'yo, sa puso ko ikaw lamang kailangan
this one. So, sino ka dito Pinoy? Philippines! Okay. Well, sa Pilipinas, alam niyo ba yung mga tao doon? Yung ano, magkakagusto ka sa hindi ka gusto. Medyo mahirap, no? Sino ba dito nagkagusto sa hindi siya gusto? Okay, medyo matami-tamay, okay? So, ang mangyayari, Pilipinas nandito ngayon na Philippines! Kaya dito sa ano daw? Puro musok na sabi niya. Very Filipino talaga sa Canada. Shoelace ko. Kapag pagod na ako, kahit hindi na kita nakikita, kahit lumipas man ilang dekada, kahit nabago namin hanap ng iyong mga... Asan ba tayo? Okay, wait. Tapusin natin isang page. Wait. The excited pa basketball, ba't di nyo kami inay? Hindi na. Mumpal nila. Asan na? Ano ba na? Kasi ADHD. Seafood City Supermarket. Ang saya. Uy, ang saya sa Seafood City ah. Grabe pa akong prinsipe doon. Tapos alam nyo ba? Ay, ano daw? Hindi, pumunta kasi ako doon. Tapos gusto ko kasing mag-grocery kasi naubos na yung mga ano ko. Mga snacks ko, ganyan. Tapos nag-grocery ako. Tapos sabi ko, hindi po, I insist. Huwag lang po. Sige na. 3 po nito. So, hindi, maraming salamat po. Vilash Beauty Studio, Reyes Sweets Bakery. Ang galing pa.
Scared of midnight talking sober dates. You're here with me now.